Scotch-Brite, a couple squirt bottles. We'll get to work on the back panel. Always get your spray pattern right when you're squirting water. You want a 50% overlap. Maybe. Here we go.
Wax on, wax off.
Hat on, wax off, wax on, hat, wax off. Concentrate. Look in my eye. Lock your hand. Thumb in sky. Wax on, hat.
Yeah, so like 10 minutes and I got that done. But unfortunately, Crystal isn't home and I don't have the keys to his house, so therefore I cannot turn the water on and I can't fill up my squirty jug. So I'm just gonna smoke some weed and wait on Chris to get here.
A few moments later.
Alright, back home, and as you can see there's quite a difference in the clear coat now. It's still gonna need a bit of work. Quite a bit of work actually. I gotta get down to the low areas. That's not easy for me to do with my back and leg, but I'll get it figured out. But yeah, you can see the roof is, I know it still looks kind of shiny on the camera. It is still kind of shiny, I guess, but back is significantly less shiny. And this right here is the whole reason behind the deal. Yes, I am going to pull the headlights and taillights out so I don't scratch them up. I just didn't today. I wanted to get a jump on this and we were just delicate and careful. But yeah, the headlights are going to come out and get polished, taillights come out and get polished, probably new bulbs and stuff like that, but it looks like hell. You can't, it probably doesn't translate on the video, but it looks like hell.